Hey YouTube, what's going on, man? So, I'm back. It's been a while. I've been busy. So, for all you who don't remember who I am, I'm the guy that made it possible to get your Romanian AK-47 bayonet mounted on your NPAP AK-47. And so again, for all of you who don't know who I am, that's who I am. And as you can clearly see, my AK-47 is alive and well. Bayonet is on there. This is my rifle of choice, guys. I think this is an amazing weapon. Two things about this video, okay? Or any other video I do. I'm not gonna water shit down. I'm not gonna say zombie apocalypse. I'm not gonna say, I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything. Here's the fact of the matter. Nations want to take other nations down. We know that. So if we ever get invaded, you want to be ready, okay? Which leads me to my next topic. Flashlights, red dots. I think all that shit's fucking stupid. Night vision, it's different. I hate lights. You'll never catch me hanging a light on any of my weapons because they give you away. They give your whereabouts away. So I don't do it. I see all these guys on YouTube, shotguns, 12 gauge shotguns, hanging a fucking flashlight on it. It's like, are you fucking stupid? You want to remain unknown to the enemy, okay? If you don't remain unknown, you're going to give yourself away. You're going to get killed. It's all about surviving, okay? Well, which leads me to my next topic of importance here. I recently picked up the Taurus G2C, awesome weapon, and I built me a bayonet for it, and here it is. It's amazing. I built it with all my heart and soul. Why did I build it? Why did I build it? Well, because everybody else is out of stock. Everybody out there was out of stock. Didn't find it anywhere. Out of stock, out of stock. Unavailable, unavailable. So I said, you know what? I'm going to build me one. And I'm going to make it aesthetically correct, ergonomically correct. And man, I must have drawn this thing about a zillion times, just trying to get it right. And finally one day, which was probably a couple of weeks ago when I started my build, when I initially started my build, it started coming out pretty good, and I continued, and I said, cool, I'm gonna finish it. I think I'm gonna finish it. Clamp on, clamp off, but yeah, man, there it is. I'm proud of it. I'm really, really proud of it. Proud of my little build here. It was built to spec. It was built ergonomically correct, okay, for those little close encounters. It's just built nice, and I did it. I built it. Again, this crazy guy. I'm a crazy guy. But Aren't we all crazy? My weapon, by the way, is not loaded. You can see that. Yeah, everything about my build is 100%, and it's also 100% satisfactory to me. We all have our opinions about everything, but my opinion is that if you're gonna put anything on your handgun, I think it should be a bayonet, because a bayonet can save your life if we ever get invaded. So, guys, I really hope you like my build, and pop me a comment if you guys want. I'd be more than happy to listen to what you guys have to say about it. Yeah, man. Red, white, and blue, always. Support your president. Support your Second Amendment. So, yeah, man. I hope you like it, because I sure as hell do. You guys have a nice day.